Hello everyone. Are you wondering what girl dinner means? Let's explore. Girl dinner refers to a meal that is made up of a variety of snacks or smaller dishes, often thrown together without much planning. The concept plays on the idea that, sometimes, instead of preparing a traditional meal, one might opt for a selection of easy-to-grab foods like cheese, crackers, fruit, or leftovers. It's a whimsical approach to eating that prioritizes convenience and personal preference over conventional dining norms. Girl dinner has become popular on social media as a lighthearted way to describe these impromptu, mix-and-match meals that don't necessarily fit the mold of a real dinner but are satisfying nonetheless. In essence, girl dinner is about embracing simplicity and personal choice in meal preparation, celebrating the freedom to eat whatever feels good at the moment, without the need for formality. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.